We'll get an inside look at modular home manufacturers in today's video and discover how they can assist you in creating a unique, environmentally responsible home. Modular homes are constructed in factories, then assembled and transported to their desired location. They differ from conventional homes, which are constructed entirely on the building site. There are several benefits to modular homes, including shorter construction times, increased quality, reduced costs, and greater design flexibility. But how do you pick the manufacturer of modular homes that best suits your requirements? I'll show you some of the top US manufacturers of modular homes in this video, along with their offerings based on the spruce. Thus, let's get started right away. Champion Homes is the first manufacturer of modular homes on our list. Champion Homes has over 30 factories spread across the United States and over 60 years of experience, making it one of the largest and most knowledgeable manufacturers of modular homes in the nation. From ranch to two-story to Cape Cod, Champion Homes offers a variety of floor plans and architectural designs. The features and finishes of your house can also be altered to fit your preferences and financial situation. Champion Homes makes sure that your house satisfies or surpasses local and state building codes by using high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. Their extensive network of builders and retailers will also be helpful to you as you finish the purchasing process. For anyone looking for a contemporary, minimalist home that blends in with the surroundings, Champion Homes is a fantastic option. Impresa Modular is the next manufacturer of modular homes on our list. Impresa Modular is a top builder of custom modular homes, specializing in making one-of-a-kind customized homes for their customers. Impresa Modular collaborates with you every step of the way, from creating your floor plan to choosing your options to having your home delivered and installed. Impresa Modular can combine or alter hundreds of modular home plans from different manufacturers to build the house of your dreams. With their online design tool, you can also create a custom plan from scratch. Impresa Modular makes your home more comfortable and sustainable by utilizing energy-efficient systems and green building techniques. Impresa Modular is an excellent option for anyone seeking a unique and imaginative home that captures their essence and way of life. Commodore Homes is the third manufacturer of modular homes on our list. Commodore Homes is a cost-effective modular home builder that provides lovely, reasonably priced homes to suit any need. With more than 50 years of experience, Commodore Homes runs 6 factories in the Midwest and Northeast. There are numerous floor plans and styles available from Commodore Homes, ranging from single-wide to multi-section to two-story. Additionally, you have a variety of upgrades and options to improve the look and functionality of your house. Commodore Homes ensures the dependability and durability of your home by using high-quality materials and knowledgeable craftsmen. Anyone looking for a comfortable and relaxing home that won't break the bank should consider Commodore Homes. Method Homes is the fourth modular home manufacturer on our list. High-end modular home builder Method Homes specializes in giving its customers opulent, modern homes. With more than a decade of experience, Method Homes runs a factory in the state of Washington. From modern to farmhouse, Method Homes offers a variety of floor plans and architectural styles. A custom home that fits your vision and sight can also be built by working with their design team. To make your home more eco-friendly and efficient, Method Homes uses sustainable materials and practices. Turnkey services such as site preparation, transportation, installation, and finishing are also provided by Method Homes. For those seeking a luxurious modern home that is also energy efficient and environmentally friendly, Method Homes is an excellent option. Clayton Homes is the fifth manufacturer of modular homes on our list. With more than 300 home centers across the nation and more than 60 years of experience, Clayton Homes is one of the most well-known and respected manufacturers of modular homes in the nation. A vast array of floor plans and styles, including farmhouse, modern, and traditional designs, are available from Clayton Homes. The features and finishes of your house can also be altered to suit your preferences and financial situation. Clayton Homes makes sure that your house satisfies or surpasses local and state building codes by utilizing cutting-edge technology and premium materials. Their customer service, warranty programs, and financing options are additional advantages. For those seeking a dependable, stylish, cost-effective, and practical home, Clayton Homes is a great option. Blue Homes is the 6th manufacturer of modular homes on our list. Blue Homes is a high-end modular home builder that focuses on giving its customers elegant, sophisticated homes. Blue Homes is a California-based factory with over 10 years of experience. Blue Homes offers a range of styles and floor plans, including studio, 4-bedroom, and accessory dwelling units. To create a custom home that fits your site and needs, you can also work with their design team. Blue Homes makes your home more transportable and durable with folding technology and steel frames. Blue Homes enhances your home's intelligence and sustainability by incorporating eco-friendly features and smart systems. Blue Homes is an excellent option for anyone looking for a stylish, sophisticated, long-lasting, and environmentally friendly home. And these are a few more alternative housing options. A tiny house on wheels. This is a mobile home that is designed to be towed to various locations. Building a tiny house on wheels can cost as little as $8,000, making it incredibly affordable. Because they consume less water, energy, and materials than traditional homes, they're also extremely environmentally friendly. Because they can be relocated to various locations and climates, tiny houses on wheels are incredibly portable. They can be made to match your style and preferences in terms of design and decoration, which makes them incredibly customizable. For people who wish to live in a straightforward, minimalistic, adaptable, and enjoyable home, tiny houses on wheels are ideal. A log home. Logs that have been cut and stacked are used to build this home. Log cabins can be built for as little as $15,000, making them incredibly affordable. Because they employ natural and renewable materials with little effect on the environment, they are also incredibly sustainable. Because they resist inclement weather and pests, log cabins are incredibly resilient. They also feel warm and rustic, which adds to their cozy and tranquil ambience. For individuals seeking an affordable, eco-friendly, and cozy yet natural home, log cabins are the perfect choice. A boathouse. This house is constructed on a floating platform or boat. Houseboats are incredibly inexpensive. You can purchase one for as little as $5,000. Because they use water as a natural resource and use less land, they're also very environmentally friendly. Houseboats are great for adventurers because they let you see new landscapes and waterways. They boast a huge deck with an expansive view of the surroundings, making them extremely roomy as well. For those looking for an eco-friendly, reasonably priced, roomy, and adventurous home, houseboats are a great option. A yurt. This house is constructed with a fabric cover and a circular wooden frame. Yurts are incredibly affordable. They can be purchased for as little as $1,000. Because they employ locally sourced, biodegradable materials with minimal carbon footprints, they are also highly sustainable. Because they are so simple to put together and take down, yurts are incredibly portable. They have a curved surface that gives them a feeling of openness and lightness, which makes them very comfortable as well. Yurts are a good option for people who wish to live in a comfortable, portable, low-impact home. If you want to live differently and sustainably, you can take a look at some of these other alternative housing options. I hope this information was interesting and useful to you. And from what I've researched online, those are some of the top producers of modular homes. I hope you find this video entertaining and useful. Which of these manufacturers of modular homes is your favorite? Tell me in the comments section below. Remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this one. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye!